Happiness is one of those things that everybody seems to be after, and some people are willing to do the most extreme things to get it. For most of us though, we'd like to find happiness through our friendships, family, love, and knowledge. The thing is though, if we're not able to see ourselves as spiritual beings, something that goes way beyond the physical world, we won't be able to find true happiness. By using positive affirmations, you can find whatever it is you're looking for, while at the same time, getting in touch with your spiritual nature. Being able to maintain a positive outlook makes it easier to attract good things to you, because the type of energy you put out into the world is what will be sent right back to you. Using positive affirmations and getting in touch with the spiritual are the things that'll help us find the peace and happiness that we all want. Number 1. Pursuing a positive mindset. When you're using affirmations, thinking positively is key. If we can't control our thoughts, all sorts of negative emotions can end up taking over our mind. One of the most common misconceptions about using affirmations is that if you simply just say something, the universe is going to make it happen, but unfortunately that's just not the case. You have to believe in what you're saying, which is why reciting your affirmations every day is necessary. To start thinking positively, you should surround yourself with the people who love and inspire you. You'd be amazed at what this can do for your spiritual well-being. If there's someone in your life who you admire, pay close attention to them, figure out what drives them, because eventually, your mindset will start to shift toward something more productive. Number 2. Practice meditation. Meditation is something that can take years to master, but you don't have to meditate for 12 hours straight if you want to enjoy some of the benefits that come with it. Getting in a bit of meditation every day will help you accept and acknowledge your spiritual nature as you get closer and closer to that little voice inside you. The world is a busy place, a loud, distracting place, so even if you're not trying to max out how to best use positive affirmations, a bit of peace and quiet will do you some good. Number 3. Getting yourself a mantra. Mantras can be very useful if you want to harmonize with the universe, because mantra sounds carry a specific vibration, a vibration that's heard and felt by the whole cosmos. If you're still not getting what a mantra is, listen, they sound something like this. These sacred sounds were created by ancient Indian sages and yogis, people who were real masters of their environment. Number 4. Make the world a better place. It's much easier to think positive if the people around you are doing the same. Whenever you can, you should help someone who's in need. You don't have to go overboard, but just do something that makes someone else's life a little easier. People often underestimate how far a single good deed can go in the world. Whenever you help someone out, it's much more likely that they'll do the same for somebody else. Leaving someone's life in a better state than it was when you met them is itself an empowering and fulfilling thing, so you really don't have anything to lose. Number 5. Speaking with spiritual leaders. Technology has made it super easy to connect with almost anybody. If you want to get a better understanding of how to get the most out of your daily affirmations, you can speak with psychics, tarot readers, Reiki healers, or anyone else who understands the spirit world. It's inspiring to know that there are people out there who have a connection to the universe that goes way beyond what science is capable of. If you want to find happiness, you can use the things we talked about today to help you. If you learn how to master your thoughts and emotions, you'll be able to use positive affirmations that can really turn things around. If you want some positive affirmations that you can start using today, you can check out one of these videos. Remember, if you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for weekly content from trusted psychics.